After the recent audience reactions to our shows, we decided to give our writers the freedom to come up with something original. The evil forces called the Promise are taking over planet after planet. One of our new state-of-the-art space planes called the Ostrich has landed on the planet hard to reach, carrying a hero never seen before, Master Beef, a former Taco Bell employee, equipped with a gun that fires drugged darts that give you diarrhea. What? Oh, come on, I thought that was a good idea. Doesn't anyone else agree with me? That's a good show, I thought. Anyone? I've had a lot of comments where people are saying about the firing pin not going into the mag, and that's a big thing the 5th gen gun solves, as well as giving it extra power. Also, the mag is more streamlined in the gun. It's also much powerfuler and can shoot further than any of my 4th gen guns. That's all I got for this video. I'm going to see if I can release a video tomorrow. It won't be the build video, but it should be cool. Anyways, I shouldn't have to tell you to subscribe and hit that like button, so until next time.